Hello, everyone. Today we're going to do another diver letter. Remember, diver letters are letters that dive below your bottom line. So I have my dotted line paper. You should have yours too and your pencil. I want you to watch me first. The letter that we're going to make today is the lowercase p. And the lowercase p starts on the dotted line. You are going to put your pencil in the dotted line and you're going to go straight down. You're going to dive below the line. Then you're going to retrace your line until you get back up to the top. So you're diving down and coming back up to the top. Once you get to the top, you're going to roll around to the bottom. So let me show you the whole thing. I'm going to dive down, come back up, and roll around. Dive down, up, roll around. Dive down, up, roll around. And I'm going to keep going until I get to the end of my line or the end of my page. Make sure your lowercase p's all dive below the bottom line. They should not be up here. If they're up here, that is not a lowercase p. So we don't want that. We want them all sitting on the bottom line and diving below. So if you need more time to make your lowercase p's, pause the video and continue making them now. All right, so now let's try and make a pattern. So let's start with a P. So I'm going to dive down, roll around, and now I'm going to make a B. Remember, B's are tall downs, and then we roll around. So I dive down, roll around, tall down, roll around. PB, remember B's have a belly. So dive down, roll around, tall down, roll around. And I'm going to keep this pattern going the whole way across my page until I don't have any more space. So make sure the letter P's are diving below the line. And the letter B's, they are on top of the line and they also touch the top. They are tall down letters. If you need some more practice, keep going. Make another line of the pattern. Or maybe you can make up your own pattern like BBP. All right, now we're going to try writing some words that either have a P or a B in them. So let's start with letter B. So remember, letter B goes tall down, roll around. Then I'm going to hook around, small down for letter A, tall down, cross for T, B-A-T, B-A-T, bat. Go ahead and write the word bat on your paper. If you need more time, pause the video. Here is the next word we're going to make. It's going to start with the letter P. So I'm going to dive down, roll around. My next letter, I'm going to hook around, and then I'm going to slide, and then tall down, cross. P-E-T, P-E-T, pet. Go ahead and write that word on your paper. Pause if you need more time. Make sure you're writing neatly, so not rushing through it. All right, here's our next word. Start with a tall down, roll around for a B, small down dot, tall down, tall down. B-I-L, B-I-L, bill, B-I-L-L. And if you can do bill, then you can do this word. Dive down, roll around, small down, dot, tall down, tall down. What from bill to p-ill, pill, bill, pill. All right, next word. Let's start with a P. So dive down, roll around. Then we'll do a U. We'll do an S, and then an H. Remember, H's use a tall down. Sh, p, sh, p, sh, push. Go ahead and write the word push. You can pause your video if you need more time. All right, the next letter, or next word, we are going to start with a diver letter P. So we're dive down, roll around. Then we're going to make an E. So we hook around and slide to close it. An S and a T. P-E-S-T. 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 Pest. Go ahead and make the word pest. You can pause the video. All right, let's do 2 more words. So our next word is going to be a T, I, P. T-I-P. T-I-P. Tip. Go ahead and make the word tip on your paper. All right, our final word is going to be a longer word. So it's going to start with P. So I dive down, roll around. Then I'm going to make an E. So I hook around, slide to close it. Then I'm going to do 2 B's. Tall down, roll around, tall down, roll around. And an L, and then another E. P-E-B-B-L-E. P-E-B. Peb. B-O. Pebble. Pebble, which is like a little small stone. Pebble. Go ahead and write the word pebble on your page. Thank you for practicing the letter P with me today. Keep practicing on your own, and I will see you next time.